Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now by opening Settings and going straight to Accounts. This saves time. First, confirm your backup is complete. Contacts, photos, Drive, because deleting removes sync. Make sure you have the account email, password, and any two-step verification method ready. Once done, tap Accounts or Users and Accounts, then locate the Google entry you intend to remove. This initial step both prevents data loss and positions you to remove the account cleanly. Don't proceed without credentials. Now you tap the Google account name to reveal sync settings and account details. This helps you check what will disappear. Scroll and choose Remove Account. Android will prompt to confirm and may ask for your device PIN or lock pattern, so enter that. If the account is the phone's primary account, the system can require additional verification or even recommend a factory reset. Make sure you understand those consequences. Stay patient during prompts and follow on-screen confirmations until removed. Finish by checking the accounts list to confirm the Google entry is gone. You may need to reboot for the change to fully register. If you plan to use another account, re-add it via Settings Accounts after reboot. If removal fails, clear the Settings app cache or sign out from the account in a browser first, then retry. One key troubleshooting tip: enable internet before attempting removal because background verification often needs connectivity. Without it, prompts can stall or fail.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.